Hello, and welcome to today's discussion, where we're diving into a really important topic for those of you who rely on a service dog. We're talking about choosing the best 2025 Australian service dog insurance. Now, I've been in this field for over a decade, and I've seen my fair share of people making the same mistakes over and over again when it comes to insuring their service dogs. It's much like hunting for the best coffee spot in town. You need to know what to look for and prioritize to get it right. But unlike a bad coffee, the wrong insurance policy can really hit your finances hard and affect your dog's health care when you need it most. Let's unpack the real issue here. You see, the challenge isn't just finding an insurance policy. It's about understanding what these policies actually cover. Many people just skim over the details, assuming all policies are more or less the same, when in fact, they can be wildly different. Have you ever wondered why some policies are super cheap while others seem to cost a small fortune? It's not just about the premium you pay, it's about the coverage you actually get. For service dog handlers, this is especially critical. When a service dog gets sick or injured, it's not just about the pet's health. It impacts your mobility, your safety, and even your independence. Because these dogs are more than just pets. They're essential to your daily life. Yet many approach insuring them as casually as they would any family pet. And that's where the problem starts. Here's something interesting. Even with rising veterinary costs, which average over $3,000 annually for dogs in Australia, only about 30% of dog owners have pet insurance. For service dog handlers, the anxiety of unexpected health expenses is even greater. These dogs often need specialized care and treatments to keep them in top working condition. The Australian service dog community faces unique challenges that standard pet insurance sometimes just doesn't cover. We're talking about dogs that undergo extensive training, costing upwards of $25,000, and their working life expectancy isn't quite the same as that of a regular pet. They travel more, face different stressors, and may need specialized equipment or modifications. So, how do we navigate this? First, you've got to assess your needs. Not every service dog needs the same kind of coverage. Do you need routine checkups covered, or is robust emergency care more your priority? Define what you and your dog specifically need up front. If your dog assists with mobility, you might need coverage for joint issues, whereas psychiatric service dogs might need coverage for stress-related conditions. And think about where your dog works. Urban environments pose different risks compared to rural areas. City dogs might deal with traffic-related injuries or stress from crowds, while rural service dogs could face snake bites or rough terrain injuries. Your insurance should reflect these environmental factors. Next up, and I cannot stress this enough, is reading the fine print. It's tedious, I know, but it's crucial. Policies have exclusions that can really be a deal breaker. Many people assume all policies cover congenital conditions, but that's not always the case. Spend some time here because understanding these details can save you heartache and money in the long run. Take note of waiting periods too. They can vary from a couple of days for accidents to a year for certain conditions. Some policies exclude coverage for conditions that appear within the first month, and others might have breed-specific exclusions. This is especially important for service dogs, as some breeds are prone to certain health issues. Comparing benefits is another key step. You might find two policies that cost the same, but one covers therapies like hydrotherapy, while the other doesn't. Which is more valuable to you? For service dogs, alternative therapies can be crucial for maintaining their working condition and extending their careers. And let's not overlook the insurer's reputation. This isn't just about customer service, though that's important too. It's about their track record in paying claims. You don't want to be left waiting for months for a reimbursement when your dog needs care now. Look into their claim processing times and how they handle disputes. Some insurers have specialized departments for service dogs, which can make a big difference in understanding your needs. Avoiding common insurance misconceptions, especially around pre-existing conditions or routine care, is vital. Resources are available to help you navigate these pitfalls. Lastly, you need to think about the future. Policies aren't set in stone, and neither are your dog's needs. What's perfect today might not be tomorrow. Being informed about trends in service dog insurance can really help. For example, understanding common claims like skin or gastrointestinal issues in Australia can help you anticipate future needs. Consider how your dog's role may change over time. An energetic young dog might eventually transition to lighter duties. Some policies offer flexibility to adjust coverage, while others might lock you into terms that could become unsuitable. The insurance landscape is changing rapidly too, with innovations like telemedicine consultations and wearable health monitoring devices. Forward-thinking insurers are starting to incorporate these into their policies. So in wrapping up, choosing the right insurance policy for your service dog is not just a financial decision. It's about ensuring that your companion, the one who helps you navigate daily life, gets the best care possible. By taking the time to assess your needs, understand the fine print, compare benefits, and think about the future, you can find a policy that truly works for you and your dog's unique situation. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this discussion helpful and informative.